In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your Canva account is premium, including whether you're on Canva Pro or Canva Teams. If you're not sure what type of Canva plan you currently have, don't worry. Canva makes it fairly simple to check, and in this quick walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to look so you can confirm your subscription status in just a moment. Start by opening Canva and going to your homepage. Once you're there, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen for your profile icon. This is the area that gives you access to your account-related options, so click on that profile icon to open the menu. After the menu appears, select Settings. This will take you to the section where Canva keeps your account preferences and subscription information. If you've never visited this area before, just take your time and make sure you're in the correct settings page before moving on. Next, look to the menu on the left-hand side and find Billing and Plans. Click on it to open the part of your account that shows your current plan details. This is the key section for checking whether your account has a premium subscription attached to it. Once you're inside Billing and Plans, look for your subscription status. If your Canva Premium plan is active, this page will show it clearly. You should be able to see whether you're subscribed to Canva Pro or Canva Teams, depending on the type of plan connected to your account. This is the best place to verify your plan, especially if you're trying to confirm access to premium features, check which subscription is currently running, or make sure your account is on the plan you expect. If you don't see an active premium subscription listed here, that usually means your account is not currently on a paid Canva plan. A helpful tip is to read the information on this page carefully, since it may also include useful details related to your billing cycle or account plan type. That can help avoid confusion, especially if you use Canva across different devices or as part of a shared team setup. And that's it. To check if your Canva account is premium, click your profile icon on the Canva homepage, go to Settings, open Billing and Plans, and review the subscription status shown there. That's the fastest way to confirm whether your account has an active Canva Pro or Canva Teams plan.